In this next lesson, we're going to work with the type tools. Now here is the horizontal type tool. All you have to do is simply click and type. That's it. Now using the move tool, I can simply move this text around. And you see as I make some text, a type layer is created as well. Now I can choose the type tool and click and drag, and it makes a text box. See, and I can stretch this out. See, this little plus that's right here in the bottom right corner indicates that there's more text than the box can fit. I can simply drag this out, and you see the text now appears. And I can also rotate and position like so. Really neat. I'm going to scrap this top layer. I can choose this text layer, and I can choose smooth and choose the warp text option. And then I can pick a style for my warp, like I want to arc, and I can control the bend, horizontal, distortion on either side, and of course the vertical distortion on either side. And I can control the vertical or horizontal. And any one of these, you can play around with these, like flag, and really neat. And right here on the top, right, it commits any current edits. I can click here, and it commits that edit. See? There you go. Really neat. Now, we also have a vertical type tool. If I click and say, hello, it goes downward. And I can also select this and also warp this. And click OK, and you see I have it going downward. I'll scrap this layer. Also scrap this one. And then I have the horizontal type mask tool, and if I click, you see that the background color changes. And if I say hi, once I jump back to my move tool, it becomes a selection. Now if I were to move the selection with the move tool, it cuts the background out. I don't want that. So how do I move the selection? I choose a selection tool, any one will do, and simply move this around where I like, and I have the option to fill it. Edit, fill, and click OK, and deselect. And now you see that there's no layer for it. It's just a selection filled with some pixels. We also have the vertical type mask tool, which does the same thing but vertically. I'm able to move this around and stuff, so pretty neat. I'm going to choose the pen tool, and I'm going to make a arc, and then control click to deal with that. I can choose the horizontal type tool, and as I move with my type tool to the path, the cursor changes, and see, here's what it looks like now. And then if I move up, the cursor changes, letting me know that I can type on a path. And if I click, I can say hello. And what's nice about this is I now can add some anchor points, like so, and using the direct selection tool, convert the shape. In the next lesson, we're going to define shapes. So sit back, relax, and take a look.